For more than a year now, Mesa County Clerk of Courts Tina Peters has been in the spotlight for her election fraud conspiracy.
She faces felony charges for allegedly tampering with election equipment. She unsuccessfully ran for Secretary of State, which she now disputes. State laws were also changed as a result of her actions.
And in spite of all of this, she will not waver on her claims. And this week, the Peters saga has sped up even more, and there's a warrant out for her arrest.
Denver 7 political reporter Megan Lopez shows us the 6 things that unfolded.
The tale of Tina Peters is told through a paper trail that started with an online posting of Mesa County election equipment data that led to an investigation and Tina Peters' arrest. A lot has happened since then. In June, she placed second in the Republican primary for Secretary of State, something she disputes.
I'm mad as hell, and we're not going to take this anymore.
This week, she asked Secretary of State Jenna Griswold for a recount. But here's the thing about that document. It was notarized in Nevada. Colorado was even crossed out. Peters was speaking at a sheriff's conference there. She was traveling while out on bond for felony election equipment tampering charges.
Judges are usually pretty understanding and pretty accommodating. What you can't do is simply provide notice and then leave.
Peters has traveled out of state before, each time getting permission. This time, District Attorney Dan Rubenstein objected to the travel and a judge had not approved it. So Thursday, that judge revoked her bond and issued an arrest warrant. The Mesa County clerk made no secret of her travel. She sent that notarized document, posted pictures, and spoke on video at the conference.
It is extremely unusual. Someone such as Ms. Peters would be so blatant and so obvious and so reckless in violating the judge's conditions.
In a Thursday court filing, her defense team asked for the arrest warrant to be quashed, promising to show up to court and claiming it was their fault, not their clients, that she didn't know she couldn't travel, something they say the DA apparently agrees with. Meanwhile, at that Las Vegas conference, Peters claimed publicly that Congresswoman Lauren Boebert met with her and other election deniers.
Monday night, he was with me, Sharona, one of our candidates for city council, for commissioner, and Lauren Boebert.
She told the New York Times Boebert even encouraged her to go forward with the imaging of the election equipment. In a statement, Boebert's team said she did not meet with that individual who took the images, but said nothing about meeting with Peters. It also said she never encouraged images to be taken. Also this week, former Mesa County election staffer Sandra Brown was arrested for her alleged role in that equipment tampering. And in her affidavit, Conan Hayes, a former pro surfer and the founder of the RVCA clothing company, was named as the man they believe impersonated an employee to copy those hard drives. The tale of Tina Peters is told through a paper trail that's getting longer by the day. Megan Lopez, Denver 7.
And Republican Senate candidate Ron Hanks also submitted a request for a recount on the same day as Peters, using some of the same language. Hanks lost to Joe O'Dea. The Secretary of State's office is now working on an estimate for the recount, which Peters and Hanks will be responsible for paying, since the elections were not close and a recount is not required.